Chapter 7: Simple, Accurate, and Effective Reporting. As valuable information is collected, the organization of it into client or owner-ready reports can be a very time-consuming, complex, and cumbersome task, particularly when the data needs to be extracted from paper forms and documents into hard-to-manage Excel spreadsheets. Safety Evolution makes this process easy. We leverage Microsoft Power BI to automatically generate reports and analytics from information being captured by your workforce and the software. Among the many insights you will be able to enjoy, the benefits of having real-time incident overviews, injury and incident details, instant KPI reporting, and asset repair logs, all at your fingertips. Along with report dashboards that seamlessly connect your company's safety, people, and assets. So instead of traditional paper reports, the Safety Evolution Analytics turns data into easy-to-read, detailed reports that help keep your employees safe, and are always ready for owner review or simply to be shared with a client right away without any delay.